How many of you are enjoying the learning process at Digital Fitness Hub? We are trying to get to you a lot of things which will definitely change your life in a different perspective. How many of you have started doing the jar exercise? Thank you. Those of you who have tested the jar exercise have shared with me that it has apparently helped them in a lot many ways which can be beyond imagination. Now here's what you're going to do. For the jar exercise, you should have a jar. Try to take a jar which is transparent so that you can see how much it is full or how much it is empty. Now what you're going to do is, in the jar you're going to write down chits if possible. We tried putting pebbles or some objects, but then what happens is you will forget what that object was meant for. So the best way is, along with the jar, keep a small notepad with pen. So every time you say get angry, you wean, you complain, you probably gossip about someone, even in absence of the persons, or to that extent that even if you think anything negative about anyone, you're going to write down on a chit what was that act that happened. You're going to fold it and put it in the jar. Now, what you're going to do next is, every weekend or on a particular day of a week, we generally try to do it on a Saturday. You're going to open the jar, sit with your family, sit with this team of Digital Fitness Hub, and you are going to take off the chits and read it out, and then try to see that you don't repeat that chit again into the jar. Okay? So what do you learn from this exercise? Can you think about it for a moment? I'll just give you 2 seconds to think that what is this exercise all about. Think about it. Close your eyes and think, why am I doing this? Now here's what. When you do this exercise, consciously you'll try to stop, like blaming others, stop weaning, stop complaining, stop getting angry, stop thinking negative about anyone, to that extent that you will not even gossip or think bad about anyone even in their absence. Once you do this, apparently what happens is your jar will start getting emptier. The jar is, it reflects exactly, it is a reflection of your heart, and it is a reflection of your mind. The moment, like whenever, if you have seen, if you have got angry on someone, after even the act has done, that like bitterness and that heaviness remains in your heart and your mind. Throughout your day you will keep thinking about that incident, and it will pull you down. Same thing happens when your jar remains empty. Apparently it means that your heart is empty and your mind is empty. We at Digital Fitness Hub, we are not just bothered about your physical weight, we are not just bothered about your physical inches on your waistline. We are also making sure that we, as I said, it's a 4 pillars: emotional, physical, mental, and spiritual. So this will take care of this. So start practicing this, start doing this meticulously, do it for your entire family, have different jars for everyone, label it with your name, and review this debriefing on every Saturday with your family and your teammates. This is Harshad Kalgadgi, from founder of Digital Fitness Hub. Stay tuned, stay blessed, and be happy. Thank you.